Love is the most uh, manipulated form of expression on this planet. I would say manipulated, the most uh, used to manipulate, used to garner sympathy, used to love is used for a lot of detrimental things because when you use the word instantly, it's an instant connection to it. And, people have different definitions of what love means. See, love means, yeah, it's variations. Everybody don't have the same ideology that you have. So you have to think about, do you just want to be loved or do you want to distribute love?